Hi, I'm Stuart Gill, Chief Product Officer of Recspert, and we have developed a two-sided marketplace bringing recreation providers and the community together. So let me show you what that means. First of all, I'm going to show you an example of not having a Recspert account, but someone is just browsing and then they see something they're interested in. Now we have what we call a two-click registration. What that means, if I find something I'm interested in, I can click on register, and I can just do a click register as a guest, and that takes me straight to the registration piece where I can go in and put in my name, my payment, and then I'm done. There's none of this 10, 12, 14 clicks. And what that does is it stops the 30% dropout rate of people that get frustrated from too long a registration process. Now I'm going to show you what it looks like when you're actually logged in, because the benefits of logging into Recspert are significant. The first being is that you can go through and set up your entire family. Now, each of the family may have different programs that they're interested in. And with that, anytime you select a different family member to view, their dashboard will change to actually reflect what those preferences are. So with that, we come in here, and again, we can click to register here. We can come in, get more information about a particular program. We can see multiple sessions. Or the other piece that we can look at here is we've got the ability to look at the different filters. So if we've got mom taking a look, she may go through and say what it is that I'm looking for, when I'm looking, how much is it, and what is the specific age. And what that does for us is it gives us the ability to refine that search down very succinctly. So I can do gymnastics on a Tuesday. And then with that, I've got a specific set of classes that are available to me. And so that's how we can do that. The other piece that I wanted to show you, since we are a two-sided marketplace, we do need to think about the facilities. And so what we've done is we've created a club dashboard for them where they can go through and see their information as it relates to Recspert regarding the members, the programs they've got in there, how many registrations, what people think of their programs and their instructors if applicable, and then what that growth rate is. I appreciate your time. I thank you very much and have a great day.